Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the standard error and how we can handle standard error in Python. So in Python 2, standard error was the base class for all built-in exceptions. It provided a convenient way to catch all the standard exceptions with a single except block. However, in Python 3, standard error was removed from the hierarchy due to simplification and categorization of exceptions into more specific types. Real world scenarios where you might have used standard error in Python 2 include catching error like IO error, value error, and type error comprehensively. These exceptions cover a wide range of common programming error related to the input output operations. Typically, or it basically has the type mismatch and general programming mistakes. So, let's talk about an example that demonstrate how we might handle exceptions broadly through in Python 3. We would typically handle specific exceptions directly. Okay, so in our previous videos, what we had done was that we had taken an example saying that 10 divided by 0, right? And it has given a zero division error, and we had specifically used that zero division error handler, right? But now what we can do is that we can take this error as an example, and we can demonstrate how we can handle this exception broadly in Python 3. So if I simply take an example saying that if I put this into the try block, okay, and if I put except exception as E, okay, over here in this line, when you were using Python 2, you have to use standard error here. But over here, we have simply used exception as E, and then I'm gonna print, hey Atul, you have an error. And then I'm going to give the details of that error. Okay, I need to put F over here. Now if I run this, you can see that you have, hey Atul, you have an error division by 0. So in this program, which is compatible with Python 3, the except block catches any exception that inherits from the exception base class, which would have been caught by a standard error in Python 2. It prints an error message indicating the type of exception that occurred. This basically demonstrates a generic approach to handle exception when specific details about the type of error are less critical. Happy learning and see you in the next video.